In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and add a USD account in Wise. Whether you're traveling, working with international clients, or just managing finances globally, having a USD account can make transactions seamless and cost-effective. Let's dive right in and make this process simple and straightforward. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Wise account. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and do that now. Logging in ensures that you're ready to proceed and can access all necessary features without interruption. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a plus icon prominently displayed. This is your gateway to new account balances, so go ahead and click on that plus icon. This action will prompt a menu where you can choose to open a new balance in the currency of your choice. Next, you'll see an option labeled Open Balance. Clicking this will guide you to a list of available currencies. For our purpose today, scroll through and select USD as your desired currency. Choosing the USD option allows you to make transactions in US dollars, which is especially useful if you're dealing often with this currency. After you've selected USD, click on the Confirm button. This might take a moment, but once it processes, you'll officially have a USD account added to your Wise account. It's that easy. With your new USD account now in place, you can view your account details by clicking on the Account Details button. Here, you'll find all the crucial information you need, including your routing number and account number, which will come in handy for incoming and outgoing transactions. But having a USD account isn't just about seeing your balance, it's also about action. Right here in the same section, you have the flexibility to add money to your USD account swiftly and securely. This is perfect for ensuring you've always got the funds available when you need them. You can also convert money between different currencies, which is a fantastic feature when dealing with fluctuating exchange rates, a real game changer for maintaining value in your money. Additionally, if you need to send money, Wise provides competitive rates and minimal fees, allowing you to transfer funds to friends, family, or business partners efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully set up and navigated through adding a USD account in Wise. Keep exploring the platform and its features to manage your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials. See you next time.